I played for 11 years in Major League Soccer. I had some substantial injuries, a career-ending injury in terms of a concussion case that is still ongoing. I got a chance to meet Ben, what would have been 2004 or 5. He came into MLS in our locker room and we hit it off instantly. Great guy, just trusted him right away. And that's one thing for Ben, is he always treated me like a human and not as a commodity. And that's where the difference is between being paid to do something and when you're done, you're done. And here he fights for what's right. The muscular kind of bone knee injuries were pretty straightforward. The concussion case was much more intricate in terms of legalities behind it and figuring out a lot of details, and it's still an ongoing fight that he has continued to pursue, and we're almost to the finish line. Some of the stuff that I'm dealing with is I think that the knowledge is not there. I think that there is, with insurance companies in general, they don't understand truly, and I didn't understand what a concussion really was until you deal with the ramifications when you can't go outside in the sunlight and the headaches. And people, as athletes, you're told you got to go and play. And when you think of concussion, you think of just a headache or something that you just got to fight through. And but when you think of it, and when you think of the head, the neck, it's really serious stuff. And as athletes, I had one thought, and that was to figure out how I could get on the field as fast as possible and not really think about long-term effects. And for me now, that's something that I'm able to relay to families, to players, to younger players, even players in Major League Soccer now, because we are commodities. And I figured that out as well. For me, win or lose, in terms of case, in terms of the end result, what I'm most pleased with Ben is his honesty. His work rate is tremendous. It was never about a dollar amount. It was always about his help, how much he could help, not just me, but also my family was very comfortable with him. And it was I never felt that he was taken advantage of. It was almost like an agency at times, but he was always the type of guy that was straightforward, honest. He'd tell you like it is. I can help you, I can't, this is where we are. Just very, very comfortable. And that was really, really the most important thing, because this was, for me, it was a big decision, figuring out who was going to represent myself and my family, because it had big ramifications for my future. And when I had to stop playing, it was a big case, and it worked out. I would recommend anybody to this firm, and I still do. So he's the firm, Ben, exceptional.